Welcome to the channel. Today we're heading out in the Extra 300 from Harv's Air Inverted. I'm going to be flying with Luke Penner and we're going to be doing some inverted spins. I'm really excited and I really hope you enjoy this.
And let's do a safety check here and then we'll begin. So my belts are good.
Yes, sir. I am also secure.
Engine gauges are looking good.
Yep, we got good temperature and pressure about 170 degrees.
Very good. And we can check out the area for traffic.
All right. Wow, this thing scoots.
It does, yeah.
Holy jumping. Okay, you happy with traffic and everything else?
I am.
Okay, so just to recap, I'm going to bring us inverted, and then do the stall, same as before, spin entry, and then the acceleration this time, the stick will be all the way ahead, so I'm just going to hold right rudder and bring in right aileron.
And back a bit.
And back a bit this time,
yep.
Right? Yeah, because we can't go forward anymore.
Nope.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir. And let's just line up with the section line first.
Sure.
This is definitely exciting, but I'm definitely a little nervous and I can hear it in the voice and the way I'm doing my checks and everything else.
That was a nice half roll.
Oh, thank you very much.
Also
okay,
teaching spins a lot in the private license area. This is really backwards now and things are getting turned around on me a lot. So a little intimidating.
Try not to climb too much.
Sorry.
Accelerate it. And recover. Backstick, backstick. Sorry. Power up and pull out smoothly. Breathe hard, breathe. Oh yeah, baby.
That was a better recovery.
Yep.
Well, isn't that peculiar, eh? I automatically tried to push that stick ahead. Wrong way.
If at first you don't succeed,
yeah, try something different.
That was different.
So let's look at that first attempt at the inverted spin from the outside. Half roll to the inverted, and then deaccelerating the airplane. Lots of forward pressure to keep the nose up. Now, to get into the inverted spin, I'm going to be using right rudder to enter that left spin because we're inverted. After I've entered the spin, I'm going to do about one turn and then accelerate the spin. I'm going to release a little bit of the forward stick pressure and use the ailerons to accelerate. The accelerated spin builds up a lot of energy, so the recovery takes a little bit longer. Get everything neutralized and pull out of the dive. Quite a heavy pull here, but not too bad other than I tried to use forward stick.
Power on?
Yeah, sorry, I was just making sure we didn't get too much altitude loss at the beginning there.
Yep.
Climbing a bit now.
Accelerate it. And recover. Nice job. Breathe. Oh yeah. Much better.
Thank you very much.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for some more flying in the extra. And get out there, get some aerobatics done, get some flying done. Happy tailwinds, everyone. And I'll leave you with a little bit of fun right at the end of the extra lesson.
And roll. Go, 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 go. Roll, 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 roll. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Now just pull out of it. Yes.
Okay, I'm glad we did that. That just seemed quite a bit more relaxed.
Yes, yeah.